Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. Hey, fam. Welcome in. So I have some KAYALI fragrances that I recently added to my collection, and I wanted to get into it with you all on my thoughts. First up, one fragrance that I was really excited about. If you all remember, I reviewed the 4 must fragrances from KAYALI from that collection, from that must collection, and I fell in love with this fragrance. And that was Freedom Musk Central. And I'm telling you, I don't know if it's the musk and the woods for me, but I have been into musk lately, as of late, okay? I love a good musk fragrance. Sometimes musk to me can be very fresh, very clean. Sometimes it can be bold. Sometimes it can be very dainty. I would say this musk fragrance, in my humble opinion, is soft, okay? It's like a soft, woodsy type of fragrance. So if you like a musk fragrance that has a lot of musk and some woody notes in there, I would highly suggest this. Sandalwood is one of my favorite woody note fragrances. I'm reading in the back, this also has pink pepper, so a little bit of a spice. We have some freesia, we have lily, we have orange blossom, candy amber, and musk central, okay? Freedom musk central gave me very similar vibes with Valaya from Parfums de Marly, okay? My opinion, if you don't agree, it's fine. But when I first initial sprayed, I was like, wow, okay? So I really feel if you like Valaya, this is like baby sister. Longevity, you say? It's definitely not Valaya. I mean, longevity was okay. Would I have liked the longevity to be longer? Sure, right? But I think if you moisturize really good, you have your oil based on, I think you will be satisfied with the longevity, in my opinion. And will you get compliments? Yes. Okay. I feel like this can pair with a lot of your other fragrances. So definitely layering combinations for the masses for sure. Next up, my favorite out of the bunch, and that is Eden Plush Pear. Okay, listen. I love pear. Okay, so it's probably, am I biased in this opinion? Sure. Who you gonna tell? But I love, you all know, I love a good pear. But this is such a juicy, fruity, but there is a underlayer of sexiness, in my opinion, in this, okay? Sometimes when you wear a pear fragrance, it could get very juvenile, which I don't mind. It can get very playful, which I don't mind. All that to say, any combination of pear, I don't mind. But this is juicy, fruity, and sexy, which is hard to come by, okay? It's hard to be juicy, fruity, and sexy. I absolutely love this fragrance. I had such a good time, right? I have gone out with this inside, and I know the Sephora sale is going on by the time you see this video. This, if you don't have anything on your list as far as KAYALI or fragrances, if you love a good pair, you're gonna want to pick this up, okay? I have been very heavy in my white floral. This has gardenia in it, and maybe that's also why I am loving what this is delivering, because it's just in my season of a white floral. And yo sis has been head deep in the bag on the white floral, okay? Anyway, This also has mandarin freesia, sandalwood, and vanilla caviar. Now listen, that pear, that vanilla, all of it is sexy. If you're looking for something that has pear and can be playful and sexy and you can wear in any setting, right? Very versatile, this is for you. This fragrance is one to get your nose on, to really dive into and add to your collection. Absolutely my favorite out of the bunch. And last but certainly not least, we have Eden Sweet Peach. Now, you all have been, not even you. I'm talking about like the house of fragrances out there in the community. Not the community. Y'all have been in your peach season, okay? It is peach all day. Peach in every fragrance house. Everybody's like, throw out your peach. Throw out your best peach, okay? So KAYALI had to also get on the peach train. But this was probably in the works before everybody else thought about peach. Don't get my girl twisted. Anyway, she don't know me. This not only has sweet peach, like a peach note, it also has the apple, red apple, and you can smell it. I think that is what gives it this like juicy effect. But to me, this gives off like a soapy background. Like you spray it and you like, ooh, fruits. But then it's like, oh, is that like a soapy kind of note or feel? Like kind of like bath, like sparkling, kind of out of the shower bath. You just got a bubble bath and you like doused yourself in this like peach bubble bath fragrant concoction, okay? That's what this is. Bubble smelling like peach and apples. So this has also frangipani, nectarine, oak moss, and musk. This is so good, okay? So all that to say, this collection, well, this wasn't really the collection. This is the collection. This ain't got nothing to do with this collection. This was in another collection. But the Eden collection, okay, let me turn this around. The Eden collection, would I repurchase? Let's start there. Would I repurchase these? I would more so repurchase the pear than the peach, okay? And I only say that because this, I feel like the setting is bedtime. The setting is out of the shower. The setting is not sexiness. Now, it could be Netflix and chill, but it's not lay your head on my pillow. It's not one of them, okay? Anyway, I would absolutely recommend any of these KAYALI fragrances. When I say none of them were like bad, right? This was absolutely my favorite. And I would repurchase both of these. I will probably have this for a time. And again, not because I don't like it, because this wouldn't be something that I would reach for on a daily. Again, love it down. Thank you, Mona, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Okay. Well, if you just maybe wait a couple of months and then keep it coming. I gotta stack my coins back up. You know. I hope that you all are enjoying the Sephora sale. I hope you're getting some great things. I don't have a huge video, or I don't have any video related to the Sephora sales. Please check out some of my past videos. I am a creature of habit sometimes, and so I probably am not gonna get much because I just shopped at Sephora before the Sephora sale, which I could have waited and saved some coin. Anyway, we're not here for that. So let me know your thoughts on the new Eden KAYALI line. Did you like it? What about the Musk line? Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below, okay? Make sure you subscribe and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.